of Jamaica Ave Talent on Jamaicans.com Facebook live stream. I just love this stream. I love the energy from you guys. My name is Ashley and Mott, and I'm here with Queen Jojo right here in the beautiful Devon house. Look here, Everton, my cinematographer here. Just show them Devon house, please. You need to check out Devon house. If you're not from Jamaica and you're thinking about coming to Jamaica, you need to come to Devon house, get some ice cream, go to the bakery, go to the new Reggae Mills bar. You need to come to Devon house right here in Kingston, Jamaica. It's centrally located near to Half a Tree. Alright, enough for the promo, because I'm not paying for this. Back to the interview. Queen Jojo, welcome to Jamaican.
Thank you for having me, Ashley.
Alright, so Queen Jojo is an artist manager. She's also a radio presenter. Why artist management and radio?
I think I've been doing it for about a year and 2 months or 3 months now. Last week I was saying to someone that I buck up in it, but then I had to think about it and say nobody buck up in their destiny.
Yes.
That's not how it happens. I got into radio. Per chance there was Roots FM asking persons to send in their resume because they're looking for persons to train for radio.
Yes.
And I was like, I'm a chatterbox. I can do that. So I sent the resume. I genuinely did not expect a call. I sent the resume and they responded the same evening. And they asked me to send in like a minute introducing myself. So they wanted to hear my voice. I was like, okay, all right. So I sent it in. And they're like, you have an interview such and such a time. I was like, Lord, it's real. So I went there, did the interview. Who it was? Rosman Brown.
Who is she?
Rosman Brown, I knew her voice from Fame FM and I knew her voice from Cool FM. So she's been in radio for a very long time with the most amazing voice ever. And here this girl would draw, or she sounds slur, and half the time her tongue is way too heavy for speaking. And I'm here in front of Miss Rosman Brown, trying to convince her to put me in her program and train me to be on radio. Well, I did the interview. The interview was very short, so I was like, you know what? That means I don't get it. Interview short, I mean I get it. Then I got a call saying, you know what, you have been entered into the training and you should come in. I was like, ooh, alright.
So they didn't tell you why you got it?
No, I didn't get to say, oh, your voice is amazing, or I didn't get anything like that. It was like, come, make us see what we can do there. I feel like they were like, make you come.
Yes.
And I saw all these people, all university students, spoken, English up and so, and you know me, still a battle with my broken English. And I was like, what am I really get myself into? But as time progressed, I realized that I do have the ability to do it, And Miss Rasman, to me, I feel was extremely hard on me, and I used to wonder, like, why is this lady so hard on me? What me do her? But really and truly, she saw that I had the potential to do something, and she wanted to get the best out of me. Well, you were there. You saw. You saw.
But after that training, you're now already a presenter. What are you presenting?
The program that I got into was Extraordinary Ability.
What is that?
It's a program solely based on the disabled community. So it highlights all the great things that are happening and all the things that we need to fix within the disabled community. So
you are the presenter for that program?
I was just the presenter. Well, not necessarily. I wasn't the presenter. There was this young lady by the name of Ashley Moore, was the executive producer and presenter. What happened was that I just had a program in mind. We had to put a program together and send it into, and my program was Overcomers. It's something very dear to my heart, and it's a 10 minutes program, and they decided that it would be perfect for Extraordinary Abilities.
Yes.
So I had a segment within Extraordinary Abilities. And then this young lady by the name of Ashley decided that she was going to move on now, and she passed on the mantle to me for me to be executive producer for Extraordinary Abilities. And I was like, what is she doing? I just started. I don't know anything about this, but
But did you survive?
I survived.
Okay.
In like the first week. She showed me, she showed me what to do, how to put the program together, and from there, I've been doing it so far for almost a year.
So extraordinary abilities, and you're also an executive producer for eFlex.
No, well, co-producer, I like to say, and co-presenter on eFlex. And eFlex is an entertainment program on Roots 96.1 FM. It's all about new artists. I like to provide a platform for new artists, new talent, because I realize that there's not a lot of that out there. Also, I'll be on August the 24th on iRevibes Radio, another program that I am an executive producer and host of, called Fresh Off the Block. And it's for new artists, it's for new talent. So if you are a new talent out there having problem getting your music out there, I'm the person. Call me.
Queen Jojo Management. All right, tell me some of the artists who you manage.
All right, so oh my lord, that's a process. So far, I'd say I've managed 4 artists. I'm still with 3. So I've had Malakia, I've had Ardio, I now have Quesan and Sika. And all of those artists are talented. The thing with management, if you're going to be a manager, you are going to have to buck up and ready to be strong, because it's not a loyal gig, and at any time they'll drop you if they feel like they're not moving as fast, because you know how it is, everybody wants the overnight fame, and it's a competitive world out there, so there's not a lot of loyalty in that work. So if you are very emotional or you can't take betrayal, do not join it.
Yeah. So if an entertainer watching this feature on Jamaicans.com Facebook live stream is interested in signing with Queen Jojo, how can they reach you?
Well, you can call me at 876-540-0146, or you can message me. You can also send me an email at queenjojopromo@gmail.com, or you can email me at nationbuilder26@gmail.com.
Where on social media are you?
You can find me at Queen Jojo on Facebook. You can also send me a friend request at Jodian the Gentle Soul Beckford on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram at Queen Jojo 1987. I'm also on Twitter at Queen Jojo the Gentle Soul.
Alright, there you have it. Go and follow Queen Jojo on social media. If you're interested in partnering with her, go ahead and make the link.
And even if you're not interested in, I do promotion, so I don't necessarily have to manage you. I'll promote you, right? So you can contact me for that.
All right.
And if you're interested in being on any of my programs, you can give me a shout.
Tell me where you're watching from. Tell me who you are, where you're watching from, and if you have any questions for Queen Jojo. My question for Queen Jojo: where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I should have an established business. Queen Jojo Management should be up and running and gunning. I should be a well-known radio personality as well.
Yes. And you're already on 2 platforms. You're on Roots 96.1 FM
and iRevibes Radio. Yeah.
iRevibes, just to let you guys know. So Roots 96.1 FM is a community radio station based in Kingston.
Right.
And iRevibes Radio is an internet radio station based, but its physical location is in Miramar, Florida.
Right.
Alright? So go ahead and check out Queen Jojo. Any final word to young entertainers, females in the business?
Yeah, keep your morals, it's going to be difficult. You're going to have to say no sometimes to a lot of things. If you realize that your conscience is bothering you and you're being asked to do something that is against what you believe in, don't do it.
Yes.
Your time will come. Be patient, work hard, and push through.
Nice. This was another episode of Jamaica Ave Talent right here on Jamaicans.com Facebook live stream. I'm Ashley and Mort. Bless.
Bye.